Welcome back to Novice Garage. This is an important video. We're here at Caps Automotive, our new shop partner.
You didn't even say it right.
Caps Automotive.
Auto Works. Read the back of the shirt. Yeah.
Caps Auto Works.
This man doesn't even know what shop he's in.
All right, boys, so we're here today, and by we, I mean me, because Chris isn't here, but it's all good. We're here at Caps Auto Works, not automotive.
Auto Works.
I got it that time. We're here with Butch and Eddie. We're partnering with these guys. They're gonna be sponsoring our events, working on our cars because we don't know how to turn wrenches. And it's gonna be a really good time. Like these guys just, I mean, Butch knows what he's doing, Eddie knows he's.
I tried.
Everyone knows what they're doing. That's the thing. I don't. I'm just here with the camera. Even Brandon's doing my job right now. Say hi, Brandon.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
We're gonna be working on this Mustang here in a little bit. Butch is shaking this wheel around. I don't understand why, but he's doing it.
Because I'm trying to show, I need y'all to just.
I don't know.
Look at me.
I don't know.
Amateur garage over here.
Oh, you're part of amateur garage.
So this is the amount of angle this car has right now. Like this is max wheel lock.
Bro, that wobbles so bad. Why is it wobbling like that?
It's the ball joint
That's
process.
all the angle she has to work.
Oh, and if you look here, the bolt on the actual shock is loose.
Yeah, the strut bolt. That's
Yeah, I don't know if you can see that.
That's why your camera game is strong right now.
Yeah.
Gabe.
First of all, this is what we call active steering.
Active steering? I like it. I like it.
Gabe never tightened his strut bolt, so he's had active camber adjustment forever.
Damn, dude. That's wow.
He's been driving this car for like 2 years like that now.
No, seriously, like I've had this car. I've been drifting it seriously for like a year now. And by seriously, I mean just drifting it a lot.
We were daily driving this thing like 2 minutes ago with that being like that.
We were stopping to get groceries. Ivan broke his finger, so we had to stop by Walgreens, and all with this. What's up, dude?
What's up?
Oh, we gotta redo the intro now.
All right, so anyways, back to what I was trying to say before the compressor came on. So we got this stock suspension in here. Gabe's got coilovers down there. They got the strut plates on top, so we're gonna get rid of the factory coilovers with the spring and the strut, and then it'll just be one unit right here. And that also deletes this spring pocket on the lower control arm with the new angle kit. And these lower control arms are actually longer, so it'll give you a little bit of camber. They're beefy as hell though. They're like 1/2 inch plate. Ridiculous. So we'll get those on, get the coilovers on. I gotta fix his exhaust. As you can see, it hang-dangles a little low. I don't know if you can tell. That's what's on today's agenda. Hopefully we'll get it knocked out in a couple hours because I don't want to be here until midnight. So pitter patter, let's get at her, bud.
Dude, Joe's freaking here. Hold on. Joe is here, and Shannon. Say hi, guys.
What's up?
When's the last time you've been in a video, dude?
It's been a while.
It's been a long time. It's been a long time. New Joe, new shop, new Billy. It's Butch.
My name was never Billy.
Yes, let's set the record straight. Let it rip.
Fuck it.
It's bitch, but it's spelled wrong.
Joe, I'll hit you right in the teeth.
Nice mugshot, dude.
Hey, don't show that.
Butch. No, we all knew it was Butch.
You'll have to go through and blur a bunch of that shit. I don't know if you can. Don't show this if you can't. Billy. Never was Billy. Never will be Billy.
It's Butch. So we're going drifting tomorrow, and I'm not sure how much they said, so I'm gonna say it again just in case. We're getting coilovers, BC Racing coilovers to be exact. These things are freaking sick. I bought an angle kit for this thing back in July last year and never installed it. So today we're gonna do that because Eddie put his hard work, sweat, and tears into pressing the ball joints in.
He's 1.5 way there.
Yeah. So we got those two, and then hopefully a hydro. That's the plan. Let's do it.
So like he didn't actually take off those 3 lug nuts. Butch did. He's just holding it for the camera.
This is Animal Planet.
It's the setup.
This is the 4th take.
Yeah, he's like Bear Grylls.
It's like the girls who pose with tools that have nothing to do with what they're doing.
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, fuck it.
Hold on. There you go. Let me get this leg real quick, guys.
Is this the thumbnail?
Yeah, this is the thumbnail. I got it. Hold on. You gotta step back. You know what I'm saying? That's the thumbnail. There you go.
Oh my god.
Just in case we missed it. One more time for the camera. That's not supposed to happen.
Here, wait, hang on.
That's not supposed to
God,
happen.
was that the Taco Bell bell? Jesus.
I literally just
Yes, thank you. Deafened me again.
So over the next couple hours of filming, guys, we tried really, really hard to get these damn control arms to work with the car. Turns out the Heim joints, which I didn't even know what a Heim joint was before filming this video, but the Heim joints wouldn't screw in to the control arms, and that's basically where the control arm connects to the actual frame of the car. So as you can imagine, if the threads don't work with the joints that connect to the car, we couldn't install it, which really sucks because we were supposed to have an angle kit, e-brake, and coilovers installed all for the next day. This, which was provided, will not screw into the control arm, which was also provided in the kit.
Not even a 1/4 inch of thread.
That's, I mean, we were about to send it and Butch was like, no,
Can't do that.
No.
If he's drifting and that comes off, the whole tire's just gonna go.
You're not gonna have a
And
good
he
time.
can, because if you lose steering, you know, if you know how cars work, if you lose steering, the car's gonna go wherever the fuck it wants to go.
Right.
If you're doing 80 and that happens, you could just land right into a wall for no reason.
We're not risking it for the biscuit.
Not on this car.
Not on this car. Or any
Not
car.
on any, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a better way to say
Yeah,
that.
the older you get, the more you value your life and other people's lives. So we are not running this today. So now I gotta get with the guy that makes this and try and figure that out. But hopefully next weekend, everything will be done. Hopefully.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what.
All right, boys, we're here at an undisclosed location. Actually, no, I know what we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it Wells Mineral. We're here at Wells Mineral with complete permission. The Mustang, as we left off in the other clip, it only has coilovers installed. It didn't get the hydro, it didn't get the angle, but honestly, John made a really good point. He's over there, he's off camera. John was like, you really should install all your mods at once. You should get one mod installed. It's still a Mustang. Thank you. Yes, I'm bashing that fucker's door in later. Anyways, do one mod at a time and get used to it. I really wish I had all the mods today, but we don't. And I don't know where the fuck Chris is at. I gotta stop cussing. No cussing.
Yeah, stop fucking.
I'm putting more work for myself. I don't know where the hell Chris is, but he's gonna be here soon. I'm bashing his door in too.
What are you gonna do? Put a cone on it? You gonna put a cone on his door?
Oh yeah.
Or the barrel? Because you like to hit
You gotta
those.
explain why. You gotta explain the joke now. Like
Why do I gotta explain the joke? You got plenty of clips of you slamming into barrels.
Having a hard time there, bud?
Yeah, you gotta do the Mustang acrobat stuff. Acrobat? Aerobics?
Yeah, luckily it's
Acrobat. Adobe Acrobat Reaver. Okay. Yeah, this thing needs a cage.
Yeah.
So if I'm gonna be bashing their door in, I gotta make sure I don't get hurt.
Damn.
Got that cold start? You feel the coilover difference?
Fuck yeah. Stiffer than a honeymoon beater.
Well, right now the coilovers are about half hard, half soft, so flaccid.
And I'ma get it right, dead on sight like been down and I'ma get it right, dead on sight like
no discussion. All I know is I was made for this, paid for this, yeah, slave for this.
We got all the way to third gear. Oh shit! Alright, let me cool down. Oh, there it is! Yeah, you got it! You overheated it, bro. Turn it off. The hood! Turn it off. Pop the hood. No, is it on fire? Is it on fire?
She's super hot. It's not on fire. Let me see that.
Oh yeah!
Oh, you're pissing, Gabe. You're pissing, bro. Hey, open it a little bit. Yeah. Oh, listen to the boil. Ah, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is like a 10th time. I'm not getting any close to that, but.
That was third. We went to fourth. It like engaged and then popped out.
I heard that. Yeah. All right, who wants to open it?
You're not opening that.
No, don't open it. I'm kidding, guys. Do not open that.
Jamal's like, oh, no one wants to drive it? Hold on.
No, Jamal's like, not my car? Hold on, guys. I'll show you.
Dude, that was the first time we did 360s in my car, so hell yeah.
Yeah, you did 360. Like, you did two of those.
I did it accidentally at first, and then it came out where I wanted, and I was like, fuck it.
I'll do
One
it again.
more time. Like, he's got the video. One more time. One more time.
February 28th, 21. Mineral Wells emergency water for the Mustang. LOL.
Thanks, Shannon.
By the way,
she's got
this
jokes.
is spring water, so
Yeah, it's almost springtime, right?
nothing that Gabe's
No,
radiator
it's just
cannot take.
it's gonna spring out the top like the other water did.
Yeah.
I mean, it's February. We got what, one more month till spring.
Yeah, driving that bitch like you hate it.
Jamal drove like it. Any car Jamal doesn't have, he tries to break.
Oh, facts. Even as those cars.
But it's
actually.
okay. I let him do it.
Oh, come on, you're almost there.
I didn't spit on it before I put it in. That's the issue.
I even fucking shaved that
That's
one
important.
down. I shaved that one down, so you can get that one in if you got the other one in.
I spit on that one. Though.
Come on now, Eddie. I believe in you, bud.
I spit on that one.
I believe.